part 30. Right, we have our CCI, our commodity channel index, and our RSI, our relative strength index. We wait until the last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline to make a trade, right? We're on the EUR USD pair. You can use any pair for this traded method as long as the markets are moving at this time. So I advise you stay away from OTC and you only trade digital options in the daytime, right? So we're here, we'll start at $2, and at the last 5 seconds, based on if the indicators are above the halfway points or under the halfway points, we buy or sell, right? So let's wait. It's a patience game. And so here we buy for $2, we up to 4, and we wait, right? A little bit of the Bible. Let's see where this trade goes. It lost, and that's the good part about this trading method, is that when it loses, you go something high, and you see 4 gives you back $1.61 plus your $2 profits. So you make back what you lost and more. So we do the same thing again. RSI, CCI, both wait for them to either be above or under their halfway points. At the word now they're under. So I sell for 4. I move up to 9 and I wait. Right? Always attempting to get the playlist for this. Alright, this is a soundtrack right here. This is what we need. Right. This should also lost 456, 4 and 2 is 6, so this would give you back $2.12 profit when you do 9, right? Simply put. So we're going to trade for 10 minutes. I bought here for 9 because I think that both indicators would be up. And even though it's low, I would have bought for 9 anyway. So last 5 seconds, you either buy or sell, right? Up or down, based on where your indicators point. And to understand that it's okay to lose, it's not a bad idea to lose. Not be afraid of losing. Just know that when you lose to actually win, and you lose to get better. Right? So you see that we won, and yeah, we buy or sell at the last 5 seconds. So we sell here for 2, move up to 4, and we wait. And it seems as if this trade is going to win. Right, so yeah, same thing again. Just repeat it over and over and over again. And as long as you're trading when the market is moving, there's absolutely nothing that could stop you. So this is another dub. We started trading at 12, 20, 20, 21, 20, 23, 24. That's 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Yeah. Yeah, later. I have more. Yeah, so same thing again. We sell here for $2. We move up to 4 and we wait. This trade lost, which is okay. So you understand how the trading method works? Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we sell here for 4. We move up to 9 and we wait. I don't know what you can hear. And 4 also lost, so we do 9. We down to the last 5 seconds to make a trade and then we do 9. So we buy here for 19 and this is 15, so this should give you 15 cents profits. That's good. That's a W. So yeah. This is infinite trading method. What, 30? It's okay. We know that two. Next up would be 9. To reach it, so on and so forth. This video will not get cut, as it is perfect, just so it is. It's okay to lose, right? In life and everything that you do, it's okay to lose. It's fine, it's absolutely fine. Nine also lost, so now we do 19. And if you're wondering what I'm following this 249, 19, 41, 87, 184, 391, 875, and 1910. So here we were supposed to buy. I'm still buying. This is up. Wasn't paying attention though. So like, comment, subscribe. So yeah, this is infinite trading method. You see that we made back we always make our profits back in every single trade. So infinite trading method part 30. GG.